I'm Aletha with WTI, and I want to show you how awesome my Nintendo Switch protective case cover is. It is really awesome. I love it because it's so beautifully designed and it has all over protection. The PlayVital Ultra Grips dockable protective case is great. It's ergonomic and it protects my case at the same time. I love it because it has this really nice soft feel in my hands. It is definitely slip proof. I love that about it. As I mentioned, not only is it protective, but it's ergonomic in every way. The controllers have two options for your personal comfort. I love that because I can either switch to the ergonomic feel or the flat feel. The ergonomic has this nice feel in your hand, while the flat feel is just nice and smooth. I also love the fact that they didn't even forget the joysticks. The joystick has these little rubber covers that allow you to have a better grip on the joystick. Feels good at the same time too. In the back, it has a kickstand so that you would like that in any direction. I love that about it. They also come with these little nostalgic blue, green, red, and yellow covers that are rubberized as well, so they feel good as well. They give you a nostalgic feel if you want that look. So the PlayVital protective case is awesome. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.